guys, my name is Luke. Today I'm gonna show you how to build this awesome little car.
Is that Lego?
Yeah, Lego. How can you not know it's Lego build? The pieces you will need to build it in there. I have this computer system thing, but I'm just gonna hop. I have a lot of red and white pieces. Maybe I should make one a pattern. Maybe like a half red.
What's that?
Wheels.
How many?
4 wheels.
Always 4, right?
4 wheels.
What else?
Blue here. There.
What else? That's cute.
The final touch. Ta-da!
You like it? It's very cute.
This is the only cool I can make. Stop saying it cute. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to smash that like button and smash that bell